Apply for a free boiler grant on our website at freeboilers.info-forall.com. Did you know that if you are on a low income and receiving benefits, or if you are over 60 and own your own house, or in private rented house, you may qualify for a free government grant to replace your old boiler? Yes, that's right. The UK government free boiler grant scheme of 2016 is available. Did you apply? If your boiler is not working, inefficient, or more than 5 years old, you may be entitled to a free government replacement boiler. Let us help you with your application. Just fill in the no obligation form on our website. Apply today on our website at freeboilers.info-forall.com.